Welcome back. Another death by a train hit, this time in Vasco. Kasturi Gaganwar, a 40-year-old resident of Asoi Dongri, died on Tuesday after Vasco Kule Express hit her on the railway track near Daboli Airport. Kasturi died on the spot.
Kasturi Gaganwar, a 40 years widow, a resident of Asoi Dongri, died a tragic death on Tuesday. Vasco Kule Express hit her while she was crossing the railway track near Daboli Airport. A body was found flung almost 20 meters away from the point of accident. Last month, a girl had died in a similar incident in Madgaon.
This is an unnatural death. One lady has died due to train hit by name Kasturi Gaganwar. She is originally from Asoi Dongri and she was going for work. So to go to work, they have to cross this railway track every day. So as usual, today morning she was crossing the track and she was hit by a train.
Meanwhile, speaking on the petroleum pilferage issue, DYSP Gaonkar informed that the police have seized more vehicles linked to the case. He said police are expecting major breakthroughs soon.
2 days ago, we have attached 3 more tankers and 1 Bolero vehicle which was used for pilfering and transporting these petroleum products.
Is there any hand of ZITOL?
No, at this stage we cannot speak about it, but we are still investigating into all the angles. In fact, we are investigating. We have more people on cards.
A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
Harwalai citizens along with Health Minister Vishwajit Rane on Tuesday met Chief Minister Digambar Kamath on mining transport issue. Citizens demanded stern action against the people stopping mining transport to extort money. Harwalai people claimed that they have been threatened by a few people from Honda.
More than 50 people from Harwalai along with Health Minister and Padiye MLA held a meeting with the Chief Minister on mining transport issue. DIG, North Goa SP, Bicholi DYSP and Bicholi PI were summoned for the meeting. Harwalai citizens claim that they have been threatened by some people to stop iron ore transport for money.
यशवंत माडकर, सुरेश माडकर हे कितें करता दुसऱ्यांक कोणाक तरी धाडटा आनी आमचे ड्रायव्हर कोण अशे गाडी चलयता तांकां हें दाखयता कितें म्हणटा ते धमकी किंवा मारता. पयर म्हाका बी 19 तारखेक म्हाजेर असो अत्याचार केलो तांच्यांनी. हांव लोकल थंयतलो. लोकल म्हटल्यार तेच्या उपरांत आमी पुलीस कंप्लेन जाली आनी आमी बाबा कडेन हो हें प्रकरण बाबा कडेन व्हेल्लें 21-24 तारखेक. तेच्या उपरांत मागीर आमकां सांगलें की हांगा सीएमा कडेन या तेचेर विचार करुया म्हणून आयज आमी बाबान सीएमा कडेन मिटींग धरून आमकां तेणी म्हणजे बरें तुमी कांय भिवो नाका हे केदे गुंडा ते आमी पळयता आनी तांकां खंय आतां रस्त्यार जर आडायले जाल्यार पुलिसूय आमकां सहकार्य करतले म्हणून सांगलां.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye with video journalist Sushant Pal for Prudent Media.
Councillor of Madgaon Municipality Manjusha Kaskar has obtained 2 different income certificates in her name signed by the Accounts cum Administrative Officer of the Council. These certificates have been acquired to be produced in the Office of Deputy Collector to obtain OBC certificate.
Madgaon Municipality is once again in news. Manjusha Kaskar is alleged of securing 2 income certificates by Accounts cum Administrative Officer of the Council. These certificates are issued within a span of 20 days. The certificate of family income issued to Manjusha Kaskar shows the annual income as Rs 24,000. The certificate is signed by Accounts cum Administrative Officer, while another certificate is issued to her by the same Accounts Officer on 26 August 2010 shows the income as Rs 2,98,460.
लेटर दिले की हांवें पयलीं पळय कितें काडलें न्ही पयलीं इनकम काडलें ती विड्रॉ करची म्हणून आनी ती हरशी म्हाजी चूक आसा ती म्हागे अधिकाऱ्यान तेणी म्हागेली हें करपा जाय आशिल्ली दुरुस्त करपा जाय आशिल्ली. तेणी पयलीं सांगपा जाय आशिल्लें न्ही म्हाका की तुगेली ती मिस्टेक तुका अमकें हें येता अमकें घालपाचें म्हणून पूण ती मिस्टेक हांवेंच दुरुस्त केली म्हागेली आनी हांवेंच परत दुसरी काडली.
Chief Officer YB Thaude informed that Manjusha has moved an affidavit to withdraw the certificate. The CO has said that he will look into the matter.
I already ordered to my ATO to look into the matter and put up a case file to me. Now she is preparing report and she will put up to me. But for your information I am telling, whatever earlier certificate is taken by her, she has produced affidavit. That affidavit, whatever amount returned and ration card was indicating that amount, was issued that. Now further she came to know that was wrong Actually, whatever, no, we are paying them 5,000 rupees per month, whereas that amount, whatever CS sought, is of 2,000 per month. So it was a contradictory. But I think I have been told that she has already moved one affidavit also to withdraw that. So I will check up that things.
Our special correspondent Arvind Tengse with reporter Ramesh Naik Raut.
Let's take a short break. We will be right back. Stay tuned.